everyone, it's really good to see you all. So in today's video, we are going to talk about top 5 programming language for 2024. So let's get started. So in this video, we'll talk about the top 5 programming language that will dominate in 2024. So we are going to look into the answers of why this language and what can you do with this. So let's get started. So first in our list is Python. So let's dive into Python. It is a beginner dreams. It's super easy to learn with a clean syntax and tons of resources at your fingertips. Now, why is Python a game changer? Well, it's everywhere. Whether you're into data science, using NumPy and Pandas, web development with Django and Flask, or diving into AI and ML with TensorFlow and PyTorch, Python got your back. And guess what? This versatility opens doors to exciting career paths. Think data analyst, web developer, automation engineer, software gurus, or AI ML specialists. Okay, so now let's talk about JavaScript. So it is a breeze to pack up with clear syntax and a boatload of learning goodies. But hold on, why is everyone so hype about JavaScript? Well, it's your ticket to versatility. From web development, thanks to frameworks like React and Node.js, to creating interactive frontends with JavaScript's got the magic touch. And now how about the career path? So brace yourself, become a web developer, dive into the backend world, or even craft amazing user interfaces. JavaScript opens doors to endless possibilities. Now third in our list is Java. So it is the powerhouse of enterprise solutions. If you're starting out, Java got your back with its straightforward syntax and a wealth of learning materials. Why is Java the go-to? It's the backbone of banking, finance, and massive applications. From object-oriented programming to building robust systems, Java is the real deal. And the best part? Java opens up a world of opportunities. Whether you're eyeing roles as a backend developer, enterprise software guru, or even diving into Android development with Kotlin, Java sets the stage for a dynamic career. Okay, so now fourth in our list is C#. So it is a beginner's buddy. It's a breeze to pick up with a straightforward syntax and loads of learning goodies. Now why is C# so cool? It's the jack of all trades. From web development using ASP.NET to game development with Unity, C# is your go-to language. Now, the last in our list and my personal favorite, that is C++. So it is the powerhouse for tech enthusiasts. It might sound fancy, but trust me, it's beginner friendly with a solid, efficient core. Now, why is C++ a rockstar? It's not just a language. It's the muscle behind high-performance computing. C++ opens doors to diverse careers. Think backend development, game programming, or diving deep into systems. So if you're ready for a thrilling tech journey, C++ is your ticket. So yeah, this is it for this video. So these are the 5 top most demanding programming language that you should learn in 2024. And yeah, this is it for this video. If you have any question or concern, please do let me know in the comment section. And this is it for this video. I hope you like it. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.